Hi everyone, so I'm going to talk about the life cycle of Plasmodium. So we need to remember one important term here, which is sporozoites. If an individual has sporozoites in their body, then it means that this particular individual is infected with something called as malaria. So we'll assume here that this particular individual is a healthy individual and this mosquito is an infected mosquito. So this infected mosquito, what do I mean by an infected mosquito? Mosquito which has sporozoites in them. So the mosquito here for the first time bites this healthy individual, and what really happens is that it gets the sporozoites here gets released into the blood. Now there are several components that are present in the blood. There are WBCs, there are RBCs, there are plasma cells, and there are platelets. See, these are all components of the blood vessel. Now from the blood vessel it enters the liver, and in liver it actually enters the hepatocytes. Hepatocytes are nothing but liver cells. So from there, these these sporozoites enter the hepatocytes and then they divide asexually and they multiply, and after that they burst from the liver cells and then they go back into the bloodstream and enter the RBCs. So when they enter the RBCs, they asexually reproduce as they reproduce in the liver cells, and after that they burst. And a chemical or a compound is released which is what is hemozoin. This hemozoin is responsible for fever and chills. Then after that, sexual stages are developed in the RBCs, which develops into female and male gametocyte. So the human host, the cycle in the human host is actually complete. And then after that, it's important to understand that this particular mosquito here is an uninfected mosquito, meaning that this mosquito does not have sporozoites. And this particular human being is actually infected human being because it contains sporozoites in its body. So the female and male gametocytes are present in the human body, which are in the form of sporozoites. So this healthy mosquito actually takes up the sporozoites from the when it bites this human being, it takes up the sporozoites from the blood of this particular human being, and then male and female gametes which are in the form of sporozoites, they fuse in the gut or in the intestine of the mosquito. What really happens after that is these actually get transported to the salivary glands, and then these sporozoites are present in the saliva of the mosquito. This particular mosquito again infects a new human being who does not have any disease, who does not have this particular disease called malaria. So the cycle actually repeats. I hope you understood the concept, and if you did, please like and share my video. Thank you. Bye.